might want to see if you can exchange with her.
Okay.
Drop it. Good girl.
Good girl.
If she wants that one, that's fine. You have something she wants. So I want her to put her butt on the ground by saying please.
I give it to her?
Okay, Canyon, drop it. Yes, good girl. Okay, squeak it a few times and wait for her SIT before you throw it. Yes, beautiful. Okay, and the reason I don't cue her, it's her job to figure out what I want, not my job to tell her. Canyon, drop it. Yes. The little stinker kept her foot on it because she thinks I'm Canyon. Canyon. Touch. Yes. But I really want her to get amped up. Yes. Because I want her to be able to go up and come down. Because she struggles like a lot of terriers, shelter dogs with, you know, the come down. Do you know what I mean? Mm-hmm. What about monkey?